In the heart of NEOM, the world's most advanced sustainable project, Emtel Energy delivered ENPACK, a fully off-grid, containerized EV charging solution. Inside the container are rack-mounted supercapacitor modules that deliver 345 kilowatt-hours of clean energy, along with an 80 kilowatt solar PV array to provide fast, resilient, and grid-independent EV charging. Built on electrostatic storage, they offer ultra-fast charge, high efficiency, and safe, stable operation with no thermal runaway risk. Power conversion is handled by end server units, delivering up to 216 kilowatts of continuous power, supporting rapid EV charging with load response from 20 to 180 kilowatts. The 80 kilowatt solar PV array feeds into the system via a dedicated PV string combiner and controller. It regulates DC voltage, current, and protection, ensuring safe and efficient charging of the supercapacitor modules. All energy flows are monitored through the intelligent monitoring rack. The 19-inch touchscreen displays daily PV generation, state of charge, individual module statistics, PV string voltage and current, all updated live and stored for remote access and analytics. Here we're looking at the system dashboard. It shows our total system capacity and all the key performance metrics in one place. Now, let's dive into the analytics for a specific day and see exactly how the solar and battery work together over a 24-hour period. From midnight until about 7 in the morning, there's no solar generation and no significant load. That's the flat orange section here. Nothing coming in and nothing going out. At around 7 a.m., the sun comes up and the solar array starts generating. Immediately, the battery begins charging from solar power. Once the battery reaches its charge target, solar production levels off. Then, at around 2 p.m., we see a big spike. The load jumps to around 185 kilowatts. This is where some electric vehicles start charging. The system covers this demand by delivering about 75 kilowatts from solar and about 110 kilowatts from the battery for a total of 185 kilowatts, all without touching the grid. Once the charging event ends, solar power takes over again, charging the battery and handling any smaller ongoing loads. And the key takeaway? Throughout the entire day, there was zero grid supply. This particular deployment is powering an off-grid EV charging solution. It runs entirely on solar energy with zero reliance on the grid. The system can charge up to 8 electric vehicles per day, making it ideal for remote and infrastructure-light environments. In addition, the system is fully self-restorable. That means if it ever becomes deeply discharged, it can automatically restart and begin charging again when solar energy becomes available without any need for human intervention. This is autonomous, intelligent, high-efficiency energy storage built for the most demanding off-grid applications. The containerized solution is built to industrial standards, featuring automated fire suppression, real-time CCTV, a Wi-Fi router, and smart system connectivity for remote diagnostics and integration into broader platforms like NEOM's Central Energy Command. ENPACK by Emtel Energy, powered by Enercap. Modular, powerful, and built for the world's most advanced energy ecosystems.